In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the volume on Zoom. Whether you're in the middle of an important meeting or trying to enjoy a virtual hangout, having the volume set just right is essential. So let's dive in and make sure everything is loud and clear. First, let's direct our attention to the system tray icon at the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. This is usually where you'll find a range of helpful tools and settings, and it's where we start our journey today. You'll notice a small speaker icon which represents your audio settings. Go ahead and give that a click. After you've clicked the speaker icon, you should see a small window pop up displaying your current volume settings. This is where you'll find the volume slider, which can be adjusted to increase or decrease the sound on your computer. Our next step will be within this volume control area. Now, you might have multiple options displayed in this new window depending on your computer's configuration. Look for the main volume slider. It's usually the one right at the top. Click on the slider and gently drag it towards the right to increase the overall volume of your computer. Be cautious not to move it all the way up unless you want it very loud, because sometimes full volume can result in distortion or a bit of an unpleasant experience, especially if you're using headphones. While adjusting the main volume, it's a good idea to test it out. If you're in an active Zoom meeting, you can ask a friend or colleague to speak, allowing you to gauge the new volume level accurately. If you're not in a meeting, you can use a music player or any other audio source to verify the sound is what you want. By doing this, you're not only increasing the Zoom volume, but also adjusting the general audio output of your computer. Remember that Zoom will play its audio through the same output your computer uses. This means you get a consistent volume across all your applications. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. If you've boosted the main volume and things still aren't as clear as you'd like, consider checking Zoom's audio settings directly. You can do this by navigating within Zoom to Settings, then Audio. From there, you can tweak additional preferences like automatically adjusting the microphone settings or increasing input and output levels. These extra tweaks can make a big difference if you're looking to perfect your audio experience. And there you have it. You've now successfully increased your volume on Zoom using your computer's audio settings. With just a few simple adjustments, you can enhance your next meeting or call. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.